Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Elevate your morning routine and enjoy truly delicious homemade hazelnut coffee. It's surprisingly easy to create a gourmet coffee experience right in your own kitchen, all without any special equipment. You can customize the strength and flavor to perfectly suit your unique taste, making every cup exactly how you like it. Forget expensive cafe trips. This simple guide will show you how to enjoy a premium brew every single day. You only need a few simple ingredients to start brewing your perfect cup. Freshly roasted coffee beans are absolutely key for the best, most vibrant flavor. Make sure to choose a high-quality brand. And for that authentic nutty aroma, pure hazelnut extract is essential, not a flavored syrup. These basic items are your foundation for a truly exceptional drink. The process is surprisingly straightforward, whether you prefer a classic drip coffee maker or a French press. Start by grinding your fresh beans to your preferred consistency. Medium fine usually works well. Then, once your coffee is brewed, you can add the hazelnut extract directly to your cup. For an even richer infusion, try adding a few drops to the extract to the coffee grounds before brewing. Adjusting the hazelnut extract amount is truly key to finding your ideal taste. For a subtle hint of flavor, start with just a quarter teaspoon per individual cup, then add a little more if desired. Also, don't be afraid to experiment with different coffee roasts. A medium roast often complements the hazelnut notes beautifully, allowing both flavors to shine through without overpowering each other. Enjoying your homemade hazelnut coffee is a truly rewarding experience, a delightful treat you've created yourself. You can pair it with a simple pastry for a lovely breakfast, or simply relax and savor the moment of peace. This simple technique doesn't just give you hazelnut coffee. It opens up a whole world of possibilities for creating other delicious flavored coffees right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.